Hello equity traders, and welcome to the quick chart of the week. Here we're featuring Alphabet Inc., also known as Google for a lot of the traders who trade it, ticker symbol GOOG. This is a weekly chart of the stock, and if you're following my trading checklist, you'll know that that is a bearish candle right there. As I magnify that, that is a shooting star. And the shooting star is a small body candle that has a long shadow above the body of the candle that's 1.5 to 2 times the length of the body. That is as bearish as a bearish harami and as bearish as a bearish engulfing. Here's another shooting star back here. This is very close to a shooting star right there. And you could see that what happened after those bearish candles showed up, the stock dropped quite nicely. Now, I say quite nicely because if you're an option trader, you can make money on the way down. I'm putting a price target on this one down around 170, which is very close to that 20-week moving average. Again, if you look at what's happening, you have a wide divergence from that moving average. That's a price divergence from the moving average. We call that the rubber band effect. The stock does not like staying that far above that moving average, and it usually snaps back. Hence the reason why we call it the rubber band effect. And down below, you have a hinge on the CCI after being extremely overbought. We have a negative divergence here on the stochastic. That is bearish. And so, again, taking out your trading checklist, you start at 1 and you go down to 7, and you just basically weigh the evidence. And right now, Google is looking very bearish. So keep that in mind for anyone who's long it. You might want to protect your positions. Can't give you any advice on how to exactly trade that. But if you have bearish signals showing up, you might want to protect your profits or learn how to use options to eliminate the downside risk. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next video. So long.